Hey, this is Copper Cover, and there's a really cool product currently on Kickstarter that I'm going to be looking at today. This is the AESLIT Magic Glow Panel, a customizable lighting system that combines illuminated panels with interchangeable accessories, allowing you to create your own unique designs and displays. Each panel measures about 11.8 by 11.8 inches, including a built-in 2200 life battery, and can run for up to 8 hours on a charge. You can place them on a desk with the included stand or mount it directly on the wall. One of the things that makes this product stand out is its variety of accessories available. You can choose from letters, numbers, roses, candles, spotlights, wall lights, photo frames, and more to build and display that matches your style. They even have it where you can 3D print things to put in this. So real quick, let's just kind of take an overall look at everything that kind of comes in this package. I'll give my overall thoughts and we'll just kind of close things out on this product. So the panel itself is electric. It has these little holes in here where whenever you plug in an item, it can light up, but there is a button that is on the top left right here. There's also a switch on the back for turning it off. So that's really cool. Like I said before, it has the stand where you can just prop it up, in a doorway or something like that. But yeah, overall, the quality feels really nice. It is plastic. You can have it dedicated, plugged in, or you can charge it with a USB-C, which is really nice. I'll admit it did come with these brackets, but honestly, it came with zero instruction on how to mount it on these brackets. So I'll admit I didn't even try because it just had no explanation on what to do with it. With this being a Kickstarter, I'm sure once it fully releases, it'll have instructions on what to do. But I was fine enough to just have it with a kickstand sitting up. But I mean, I'm sure if I thought about it really hard, I probably could have figured it out. But just know that this is able to be mounted on the wall. Something else to keep into mind is I was sent multiple boxes that has multiple different accessories. However, they do have it where you can buy more boxes or buy more accessories. Still, the main boxes still come with quite a few accessories. It's just a matter of some are more themed than others, but there are so many different accessories. Something you'll hear me say a little bit later is I will say the accessories are kind of geared more towards women, in my opinion, with like roses and just the type of writing and different things like that. But looking on their Kickstarter webpage, it does seem like that they have black pegboards coming out with some more RGB gaming elements to it. But you know what? Let's just go ahead and kind of take a closer look at all the accessories that they have so far, or at least all the ones that they sent me. So this is probably my favorite one. This is like a little double-sided RGB light that shoots red, green, and blue out of the sides. You just put it in here and it shines straight down. I absolutely love this one. I like that it actually shoots more towards that gamer vibe. So I'm hoping to see more things like this, but it's pretty cool. Then, of course, right here, you got the rose, which I'll admit the rose is really cool. It feels really nice. However, the biggest issue is whenever you try to push this in, you have to use a little force, and it feels like you're damaging the thing and deforming it a little bit. But it is so pretty, especially whenever it's dark. It's like a reddish pink color, I'd say. Then you got this little candle here, which is really cool. And the flame actually lights up whenever you plug it in right here. So yeah, you just kind of pop it in right there and it just kind of flickers a bit and it looks so lovely. It's so relaxing. And then honestly, this is probably my favorite one. I don't know. This is just such a cool little sconce light or something like that that just shines straight down. It just reminds me of something that I would have in my gamer room. I mean, if they eventually do like gaming mounts, it'd be cool to have these shining down on game controllers and stuff like that. But like I said, this one's probably my favorite outside of the RGB light one. Then right here, you have these round ones that have typical different letters that you can replace them with. And then you have dedicated letters and numbers just to spell out different things. And of course, you can plug these in and they all light up and change colors. The letters where you replace on the round one, those are always just white. And then over here, you have a couple different dedicated welcome sign, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. And what's really cool about these is whenever you use the remote to press the different color settings, They have so many cool color settings where it just fades. It I don't know, it just like chases with other lights. It has rainbow effects and things like that. You can fit all on one, but I imagine that normally you would just kind of put one of these on here, and then you would just kind of spell out some things, put the date and different stuff like that. But yeah, see here some of the different color effects right here. But yeah, I mean, still in my opinion, they're rather feminine, or I don't know, very specific with holidays and stuff like that. But that's just my opinion. I mean, anyone can use them. And then next, what we have coming up is some picture frames right here. I believe that they only have two different sizes, but what's awesome is that they can also be used for dedicated, because they have a little stand on the back. Now, you can't use the light that's in them if you use the dedicated stand. They do have to be plugged into the board. I saw some pictures on their website where they put like pictures of video game characters in here, them to try to be more of a gamer vibe. But yeah, this is kind of everything that it came with. Let me just show some more shots of everything together. So overall, I think that this is a really cool product. I think with it being in Kickstarter, it has so much potential to come out with so many more things. If I had any advice for them, you know, they've done really good, I think, standing out to the older home type, to the more feminine side. They have come out with a lot of nice products, or should I say accessories to add to it. But I do think that they should really step up and come out with more stuff towards the gamer guys, because naturally they're looking for pegboards more. I personally feel like they're looking for RGB mores. They're looking for different things like that. So I think they got something really cool here, something that's worth your attention. I will include links in here. I just hope that they really come out with some more accessories here soon. But anyways, guys, this has been Copper Cover. I really appreciate you checking out this item. I think it's pretty cool, and I'm excited to see where it goes.